So you want to look at exterior angles of regular polygons. Regular polygons have all sides equal. For instance, if we talk about a pentagon, for instance, this is our pentagon. As we know, a pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we call it a regular polygon. It is a regular polygon because all these sides are equal. The sides are equal. Now we want to look at how do we find the sides, the number of sides of a regular polygon. Okay, using the exterior angle. For instance, if we extend this line this way, this becomes the exterior angle. Okay, and the one inside is an interior angle. Now these ones that are out, if we extend this one, it becomes exterior angle. Okay, so this is theta. These angles are equal. Theta, theta, theta. Those angles are equal. To find it, so if you are given the size of the exterior angle of a regular polygon, how do you find the number of sides of the polygon? This is how you find it. You say the number of sides is equals to 360 over theta. It's the formula. The number of sides is equals to 360 over theta. 360 means the total sum, the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon add up to 360. They add up to what? To 360. So if you are given the size of the exterior angle, you can easily get the number of sides. I want to give you an example. Now this is the example we have. Determine the number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle measures 60 degrees. Okay, this is a regular polygon and the exterior angle measure 60 degrees. This is how we do it. We said the number of sides is equals to 360 divided by theta. Theta is the exterior angle, the size of the exterior angle. So the number of sides here will get 360 divided by our exterior angle is 60. So 360 divided by 60, what will you get? 6 sides. 6 sides. And what is the name of the polygon with 6 sides? Can you send your answer to the comment section? What is the name of a polygon with 6 sides? I want to leave you with that assignment. Thank you so much.